Interesting. I wonder what these bottles are for. Let's take a little short view of this video and we'll find out how we can generate some beautiful plants. We're going to take and drill a hole in the top of this bottle and make sure the diameter of the hole, thus the size of the drill bit, is larger than the stem of the plant. You find the center and just drill a hole down through. Suggest that you make sure the top is untight. For the sake of this video, I'm going to take this top off and I'm going to take one that I have previously cut a slot in. All you got to do is cut a diagonal slot in there. Razor blade knife, hacksaw, pair of scissors, almost anything works. You can see that it's fairly flexible. Then you go ahead and put it back on the top. Fill your bottle halfway, 3/4 of the way full with water. Put the top back on. Just leave the bottle set. You're all ready for your plants. I would suggest you take the label off of the bottle, but you just pop your stem down in here. Make sure it goes down almost to the bottom, not quite all the way. You want room for the roots to sprout out. After you have roots on your plant and it's growing fairly well and it looks pretty good, then you go ahead and say, geez, I'm ready to plant it. Get your potting soil ready or your garden mix or whatever you're using. Unscrew the top, split the top, take the plant out sideways, pop it down into the ground and you'll be all set. These are very nice. They're fairly stable. They don't tip over like a lot of things that we use. But this is a good, easy way to start your plants. I hope this gives you a good outlook on better planting and good luck with rooting your plants.
My choice is to use the shorter bottles, as they won't tip over as easy as the taller bottles. For more garden videos of this type, please subscribe to this channel, MrBalerdash. You also can turn your efforts into a beautiful butterfly garden in a local park. Now is the time to share this video with a friend and give it a thumbs up. If you do this, it will help the channel. Please leave a comment as I enjoy reading them. Have a great day.